Hi everyone, so I'm gonna do a house tour at my aunt's house. So yeah, let's ring the doorbell.
Hi family!
Hi!
Hello! On.
Okay,
Welcome to our humble house.
this is Tito Alan,
Hello.
and that's
Me.
Tita Raquel.
And here's this little one, the troublemaker.
The taekwondo people.
Okay, so this is their entrance.
And the flowers and the pictures right here on the table. This table with all the pictures and flowers and lamp.
Okay.
And this is the fancy light, and this is where a counter is, and this is all rocks, and this is like a sculpture.
Oh, Tito, did you do this one?
Yeah, I did this. Yeah.
And he made like a cut for this, outline for this, and look right there. That's also a flower right
Ginawa
there.
ko ganitong raindrop light.
And
Oh.
and this is the bathroom.
And then what's next?
This
Ito
is
yung
the,
isang pangalawang entrance din na galing sa garage.
this is the garage.
What?
The garage right here. This is the garage right here.
Yung
There's
side entrance
cabinets
mga
that
galing sa
open.
garahe.
It says love and hope and another raindrops. The cars, the
Oh.
workshop,
Medyo
the office,
karat-karat lang.
the office.
Did
right
it come
there.
like this or did you have to make
I
it?
did those cabinet and those storage. In
Which one?
those two storage.
Oh, those are storage?
Yeah. And put
And then-
two heater.
Where?
This two.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi mostly ang garage hindi naman siya heated talaga. So, nagpipili lang ako. Tapos, I painted it.
And this is a shoe holder.
Oh, that's the new one.
This is
From IKEA?
Yeah.
It's IKEA, no?
and then we
Yeah, it's nice. I like that too.
and here's the pantry.
It's a space saver.
You know,
And here's the pantry. And if you look up there,
What does it say?
Tita was chandelier
welcome to our home. It says welcome to our home. And come
Are you
here.
changing
It
it?
says pantry. Over here says pantry.
Pantry.
Yeah, there's a pantry, and if you look up right here, there says pantry. And this is all the things we eat. And here comes the guest.
Alam niyo na yung pantry, kung ano yung pantry, mga...
Did this come with the house too?
Yeah, this one comes with the house. Ito, inad ko lang din to. Kasi masyadong kulang na yung storage. So, inad ko lang para magkaroon ng another space pa. Tapos...
And this is the key holders where everything is.
Oh, very organized.
Yeah,
And
and
this
mail. Dito siya mga mail. Ang tagus nito.
And, here,
Sina?
and this is where we usually hang out.
He's gonna be a YouTuber.
This is where
Yeah.
we usually hang out. And this is where the stove is and everything.
Okay.
And this is where it holds all the foods, the table, the dinner table, the lights.
Go to the
A lot of lights up there, and there's like wine glasses and like
Yeah, I just made this.
You made that, Tito?
Yeah, from IKEA again. No,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
and this giant wine glass thing that we have,
That's Costco.
and we have this beautiful living room right here. And look at this mirror
Uh-huh.
that looks like a flower, and
Oh, you're gonna do
TV,
a lot of edit.
and this is the pictures from a long time ago for memories. And here's the TV, and this is like some flowers,
Oh.
like a chair that can like open or storage. And this is the comfy couches. And this is where
Who made that, Moyer? The wallpaper.
that is
Yeah.
spent a lot of time on it.
It's not wallpaper?
It's not.
What is it? Oh, it's wood. Is it from? Is it from
No,
ano?
it's like a sticker.
Home Depot.
It's a sticker.
Oh, and then you have to pako it.
That's
Oh.
heavy.
And this is my Valentine's flower.
Buhay pa rin, tita. March na.
And these are the rules of the house.
The rules of the house. Which one do you follow? None of that.
Raindrop, lantern,
Oh,
here.
I didn't even notice that.
Oh.
And
Yeah.
if you come right here, there's a secret right here.
Made that like, ayun na, 3 months ago.
Saan, tito?
From Amazon.
Oh,
And if you come over here, there's a secret.
Nice.
painting.
yeah, I like
You
it.
like it?
Yeah,
There's a secret painting.
super useful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga sa amin, hindi naman nililate na.
Secret
Yeah.
painting. If you
Bakit
can
na
see it.
nila yung oras
Secret
sa
painting. If you guys notice.
Oh, yeah.
And not a raindrop, lantern.
Because it's purple here too.
And this is.
That's a chandelier.
And this is all the
Oh, another
family
chandelier.
memories,
Yeah,
the
because
family
Tita loves
memories.
chandelier.
Oh. Chris Aquino.
And here comes the
Hindi
bathroom.
ko ay.
Come up to the bathroom.
Ay, painting.
Mm-hmm.
I got that, huh?
Time for the
Sa
bathroom.
That's JYSK.
JYSK.
I got
Oh,
it for sale, of course.
And this is the bathroom.
okay. Wait, we're gonna go to your mom and dad's room first.
And here's the mom and dad room.
Wow, it's so nice.
I know.
And here is the beautiful room.
Ito yung master bedroom. So,
Master bedroom.
yeah, yung mga family portrait namin.
The memories.
Mga memories. Kasama na si Moy dyan. Family. Mga tatlong kids. Si Kambal. Kami.
Tatlo.
Ito na yung...
The master TV. The big screen.
Did you get a new TV?
No. That's,
Oh, this is from there.
From there.
Yeah.
So,
And
75
this is
to
the
70.
campfire. This is the campfire.
And this one too, Kim. See? Look at this. Same.
Oh, it's wood too.
Yes, wood too. Very same.
Why did you put wood?
Para black siya, so mas maganda siyang tingnan. Kasi kung ano, para yung pinaka-ano nito, di ba? All black, mas maganda siyang tingnan.
And I'll show you the
So, sana kung
workplace.
dark pa nga eh, pero okay lang siguro. Para siyang malaking screen tingnan.
Ah, so accent wall and then another accent wall.
dun. Tapos ito yung mga collection ng tita mo ng stuff toys niya.
It's not my collection.
That's collection. It's like for the kids.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. Ayun yung sa kasal namin, invitation, di ba? Madami yan, di ba?
Yeah. And then there's a mirror here.
Yeah, may yan. Para makita namin yung ano.
And here,
Another
Show me.
chandelier.
How many chandelier I have?
Too many.
Oh, that's more.
and here's the
Tapos
workplace.
yung ano ko, ito yung kanya-kanya kaming dalawang ano.
Oh, so this is your.
This is my spot, and that's your Tito's spot.
Oh,
And
okay.
this
Ito yung work office ko. Ito ako gumagawa ng mga paperwork.
Look at the
Yeah,
old.
mga paperwork ko.
This is
Alis dyan, anak.
also memory.
This is Tito Alan before and Tito Alan now and Tita. Okay, moving to
To the bathroom.
Ito yung
outfit.
labas, diba? Pero hindi lang yun. Yung sa labas na ano.
Oh, okay.
Yung para makita mo yung backyard na, diba?
Yeah.
It's night time, so you can see.
And this one you also installed,
Yeah, I
right?
installed this one here. Yeah, everything, yeah. And this one too. It's nice.
Yeah.
Meron siyang dual na pwede mo siyang gawing maliwanag, ganyan. Pwede siyang hindi maliwanag. Or ano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Is this like an upgrade when you bought the house or like is this separate?
Separate. Everything is separate.
Oh, okay.
Wala yan. Ito lang window ng nila. Pero itong mga to, no, that's your titas and ideas.
Mm.
Yes. Tapos ito yung
Bathroom.
yung bathroom.
This is the
Ito
painting.
yung, of course, yun yan, yung
The
toilet.
Dum,
Sa kami nag-ano.
dum, dum.
And then there's a his and her sink.
Yeah,
Yeah?
his and her. Dito sa tita mo, of course, makita mo na yung likas na dito. Tsaka yung mga ano,
And
sa
here's
kanya
the
dito.
soak and wash.
Yan, tapos medicine cabinet.
That
Yeah.
opens.
It's open, everything. And then yung mga ano.
And
Tapos, ito yung, of course, yung
bathroom.
batag. Sir, batag?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Do you use it often?
Momoy, always.
No, we use this one.
Use this one, oh.
Ah.
Meet you.
Ito, I made this. I made this. Yeah. Kasi mas
Oh,
para may
look at
privacy, di ba?
Kimi.
Para we have privacy here.
Yeah. This is nice.
This is
Yeah,
nice,
it's good.
And I made this. Hello, gorgeous. See?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's new?
Yeah. Wala siyang, di ba, ginawa siyang barn door. Para
Yeah.
magano siya ng, ano,
So it doesn't take up space
take a
too.
space.
Yeah.
And meron siyang whole mirror, tita mo. Tapos hello, gorgeous. Ganyan.
Yeah, I like
Have to
it.
go outside for the
Yeah,
big
diba?
mirror.
Yeah. And I like this area too.
And here's the makeup office. The
You
makeup.
sit down here, Mom.
The makeup.
Tapos, ito yung hindi namin. Yan, ito yung loob niyan. Of course,
Don't
naman
show
na
my
yan.
mess.
And then when you bought the house, this wasn't there yet.
No,
right?
wasn't
So-
there. Alam mo yung shelf nung kagaya sa pantry?
That one.
Mm.
The one on
That
top.
Oh,
same
this one.
thing. Yeah, this like this. Yeah. So, pumunta kami ng IKEA. Right, kan? Bili namin yung isang buo to. Binuo ko na siya dito. Tapos yung mga drawer, mga ganyan. Tapos ito rin. From, I think that's from Walmart or IKEA. I can remember.
Which one's the organizers?
This one here, yeah. Sa mga shoes niya.
And here's some of the bags she has.
Tapos ito yung mga pabango ng tita mo. Dito, yung mga kanyang mga chibuli.
And here's
Mga ano niya. Tapos ito
here's
pa
the
dito.
Tito.
Where's yours?
This is mine. This,
Oh,
this
okay.
is
This
mine.
is
And this is this tita.
okay.
Tapos ito yung mga pinakang dito. Meron pa ditong parang frame na ano na yung
Which one?
sa akin ng
Oh, I remember
ng
this from the
best friend
Philippines.
kong cousin niya.
It was in your room, right?
Yes. My best friend cousin. Yeah. So ito another chandelier Kim. Ito ko Ju. Tita love chandelier. Yung mga ano eh.
I'll show you the ano pala. Mommy's drawing.
Which one?
Oh, this is my favorite quote. What's that? Always?
Stay humble and kind.
Yes. Oh, that's Mommy's drawing.
Cute.
Mommy and Dad.
Mommy and dad are out oh.
Which
Mom and
one?
dad, si dad and mom.
Yeah.
Then, nagkindat sa akin.
Cute.
Yeah. See, I love you forever.
Aw. Okay, next.
Mommy's room.
Here.
Out.
Okay. This is my son. Ito, pala, room ng isang ni Momoy. Ito. Of course. Ito yung computer table niya. Sa din yung computer. Mga ano niya, headset niya.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, ito yung ano, yung dadasal. Tapos, ito yung kanyang TV. Of course, meron siyang camera para nakita namin kung ang ginagawa niya sa gabi. Kaya, kung ang ginagawa niya, yung Xbox niya, ito yung mga drawer niya, yung mga, kung ano yung mga nakalagay dito, toys, tapos ito, lab shade niya, tapos collection niya ng, ano, ng mga Lego.
Mm.
Over here. Yeah, ito yung closet niya. Tapos, ito naman yung isang room ng isang lalaki. Of course, gamer. Kaya, ito yung kanyang computer. Ito. Ano pa yung buksan ito? Pero,
Oh, this is the monitor pala.
yeah, sa motor. From your dad.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you from your dad.
I've only just seen it now.
Yeah. Galing sa kanya to. So, kasi nga, naubos na yung pera namin kakabuild ng kanyang PC. We spent, I think, 1,500 already.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for that PC. That's customized PC. And it's pretty good too. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. Why is
Yeah.
it at the bottom?
Oh, kailangan nasa bottom siya kasi nga para at least hindi
Stable?
Siya, stable, hindi siya nagagalaw. Hindi na parang yung binubuksan to.
Mabilis, Tito.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah.
Super.
So fast, yeah. Nag-speed test kami, umabot siya ng 700 megabits per second.
Wow.
Yeah. Kasi naka-LAN din to eh, naka-LAN card siya.
Oh.
Tapos yung laptop niya, pang school. Tapos ginawa ko lang din to.
Yeah, he made that, right?
Yeah, I made this from school. Tapos ginawa ko ganito. Para kasi yung Brianna na rin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, tapos yeah. Ito niya. So,
And then-
bagong bilihin to, see?
Yeah, I know. I saw that one.
Yeah.
Amazon?
Amazon. Yeah. See? Talagang ginagastos niya talaga yung
Computer.
computer niya. So, meron din siyang mirror dito. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Tapos ito yung washroom ng kids, ng dalawang boys. Of course, don't expect na malinis. Ito yung mga nila, tapos ito yung silang tatlo.
Cute!
Yeah. Yung bata sila. Tapos pero siyempre, hindi namin ganang ginawa siya ng display kasi alam mo naman yung
Boys.
Boys. Hindi mo ganun karan talaga yan. Tapos ito yung another storage ng mga linen.
Linen?
Yeah, yung mga another, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then, ito yung, of course, ito yung washer and dryer. Ito, ginawa ko lang din to. Hindi naman kasama to rito para meron nalagyan ng ganito.
What was it before?
Oh, wala, nothing.
So just the
Oo,
washer and
parang
dryer.
yun, parang na makikita mo. Ito, wala rin to. Ginawa ko lang din to. Para meron silang kita mo nalagyan, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Tapos to, wala rin to. So, ginawa ko lang din to. So, ito ng backsplash. Tapos to, ginawa ko lang din to. Mga to.
The cabinet?
Yeah, the cabinet. Bumili ko sa Canadian Tire ng 2 pieces na ganito. Tapos, kiliwalay ko. Tapos, ginawa ko lang dito. I made this. So, pagka siya ng design. So, ito yung mga storage, yung mga ano.
Yeah.
Yeah, di ba? Para magkaroon ng parang magandang maraming space.
And then there's a window
Yeah,
here.
may no window here. There's a wash and dry here. There's a clock.
Oh, there's a clock here too.
Yeah, there's a clock right there.
Oh.
There's a wrong clock. Wrong time.
And you don't have a chandelier in here.
No. Yeah, I know. Ewan ko, baka one day. So this one galing to sa team sa ano? Sa Philippines.
Oh, really?
Galing kay Aten and Bugs.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So galing sa kanila yun. So, this is okay siya, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos ginawa ko lang siya. Lagyan ko lang siya ng ganun. Ng parang ano, tapos dikit-dikit ko na.
Yeah.
Tapos to, slide na rin to. Sliding door.
Was that there na before?
Yeah, ito original to. Mga standard to. Mga original talaga. Yan. Para syempre, kung ano ka, na maingay, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Itong ginawa ko, yung barn door. I made this.
Let's see.
Like this.
Nice.
See?
Yeah.
So they have privacy sa bonus room.
Yeah.
Kung sakaling merong bisita na pupunta, na gustong mag-stay sa bonus room,
Yeah.
na wala kaming, di ba, may kwarto,
Mhm.
kung marami sila, hindi sila place na dito. Saka yung mga kaibigan ni Alfred, ni Brianna, kung gusto manood,
They have
they
privacy.
have privacy.
Yeah.
So wala silang ano, kahit mag-ingay sila. Wala sila. Tapos pagka nandito ka sa loob na, makikita mo rin na meron siyang parang display page na. So I think this.
Wow, yeah, it's
It's
nice.
nice, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, especially if it's close.
Where did you get this? Or did you make this one?
Oh, this look merong nagbenta ng sa ano, sa marketplace or KGG.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's
Wow.
cheap. It's only $90 for both.
Wow.
Sa closet talaga to eh, sa closet. Alam mo yung mga
I
sa mga
see.
pantry,
Yeah.
mga ganyan. So ang ginawa, Tito.
Mhm.
So ginawa, pinagtuktong ko lang. Tapos nilagyan ko lang siya ng basilya. Tapos in-screw ko siya, kaya naging magkataktong. For normally talaga magkahiwalay yan.
Yeah, it's nice.
Talagang drawer siya pag ganun. Yeah. Tapos bigay niya sa akin yung handle, so I use the handle na rin para sa stainless na kabilaan.
Yeah.
Diba? Open close na siya. Yan. Tapos
And then this
another
is
force. I don't know, pero dito sa channel yan, di ba?
this is the bonus
This is the
room.
bonus room. Oh.
So entertainment area.
Yeah, medyo lang siya kasi nga, alam mo na, may mamasyal tayo, di ba? We're going to
Bath.
bank. So, nice namin yung mga kanya-kanya namin. Yung kaibigan, nasa kanya sa Mabana. So, may mga taga-tigisa na kami. Si Brianna, si Alfred, ako, si Momoy, si...
Yeah. And then this one, you also did that
I
one.
did this too. Yeah, itong stone hanggang dito para at least black nga siya, para at least malaki siyang tignan, di ba?
Yeah.
Malinis siyang tignan. Tapos yung itong mga light din, I made this mga light.
Yeah.
Yeah, so para medyo ano siya. Tapos alam mo na, tita mo, yung mga collection niya, yung mga Disney na galing kay Pia na mga original talaga. Di ba?
Yeah.
Galing may mga tatak talaga ng Disney at si talaga mga original sila lahat. Yan. Yan. Tapos yung tita collection, alam mo na yun, Disney. Alam mo na yan, yung mga ganyan, lahat yan. Lahat ng mga pinanood niya, ng mga nagustuhan niya, i-lista niya dyan. So dalawang side yan, sa dito, tsaka isa doon.
Wow.
Yeah,
There's a lot.
I know. Kasi yung mga favorite niya yan. Tapos nakita yung si Thanos, si Spider-Man, tapos si Iron Man nandito, may dalawang
Yeah.
feeling, tsaka yung
And then this one, you bought this one or
Yeah,
did you
I
make
bought
it?
this cake, the whole entire thing, this of binili namin, tita mo.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos inad ko lang din to. Good thing nag-match nga, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos eto, inad ko lang din to. But I paint this game para maging mag-match siya. I think white yata to eh. I can remember.
Oh, really?
Tapos inangat ko siya, oo. Inangat ko siya, nagkaw siya ng wood dito para mag-moon sila, para pantay-pantay na parang
Yeah.
sa buo. Buti nga nagkasya, di ba?
Yeah.
Naging nag-match naman siyang tignan. Kaya ano.
Super perfect.
Yes.
I have the same ones. Did you see it in my house?
Oh, your pillow?
right?
The pillow?
The pillow.
Oh, the pillow.
No, it's from the superstore. I think.
Yeah. Tapos to, alam ko meron kayo nito. Dati mo rin, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo,
L
okay pa naman
shaped.
siya.
Yeah.
Tapos ito pala, Kim, ginawa ko rin pala to.
Which
I made
one?
this.
The bench.
The bench.
Oh, you made it?
Yeah, I made this bench. Di ba wala sa siyang bench? Parang siyang original na nandyan, no?
Bookshelf.
Bookshelf yan.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, nas from IKEA, na ginawa ko lang na
Ah.
Baliktad mo sa...
binagsak ko siyang gano'n. Tapos nung binaliktad ko, tapos nilagyan ko siya ng mga ganito. Tapos bumili ako ng mga foam.
Yeah.
Alam to eh. Alam yung talaga to, mga gandang foam to. Kasi galing to sa parang yung pinamihigaan ng ng pag under the car, parang gano'n.
Oh. What are you doing there?
Kami, di ba? Wala kaming aso, si Boboy nandito lagi, natutulog
Oh,
sa
really?
aso. Oo. Di ba? Pang natin, di ba? Pang pet. Pero, yeah. Yeah, kasi yung bonus. Na like yung nag-spend ng time dito, pag manonood kami.
See, we're ready to go.
Ipake na kami. Kasi pasok ako nun eh.
Yeah. It's nice because you have high ceiling and
Yeah,
then you
high
have a window here and window there.
Yeah, itong naman, nag-close namin to. Para kung nanonood ka, kaso nga na medyo tulungin na, pero
Ano mo eh.
mag-block siya.
Yeah.
Para hindi siya liwanag. No, that's not the
If I close this, can I still hear it? The TV? Oh, it looks nice. Yeah.
It's nice game.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the
I like that this is
see-through siya, pero di ka
Yeah.
kita, diba?
So there's still lights. It's
Yeah.
not. That
Yeah.
doesn't darken the hallway.
At the whole point.
Yeah.
Kasi pagka nakasara siya. Sa door.
Yeah.
Parang may privacy yung mga taong pupunta.
Yeah.
Right? Next is downstairs. Ito yung sa basement naman. Ay, by the way, yung pala, I made this pala, di ba? Alam mo to?
Which one?
This one. I made this.
Oh, the line?
The whole entire thing, this one. Wala to eh. Closed siya, di ba?
Oh.
Yeah.
Was it closed?
Yeah, it was closed.
So you took it apart?
Yeah. Tapos bumili lang ako ng ganito sa mismong builder. Tinawagan ko siya, sabi ko sa kanila na how can I get yung mga ganito nga mga builder na. Sabi nila na bigay sa akin yung phone number, tapos tinawagan ko, umorder ako.
Nice.
In-order ko yun to. Yan. Yan, in-order ko to. See? Para match silang lahat, di ba?
And then this one was
this
already
original,
here.
Yeah. This
Oh,
original.
okay.
This original one. But eto close talaga siya.
Why did you do that?
Kasi one dito ko na makita yung kabila, para maging open siya. Kasi kung close nga naman siya, parang hindi ba, ano.
Yeah.
So, mas
It
maganda siya,
makes
di ba?
more space.
More space,
It looks
diba?
like it's wider
Bigger
in here,
and
yeah.
bigger pa, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero ito rin, alam mo naman yung ganito rin.
Yeah.
Another...
Yeah.
Another piece of work.
Yeah. Sabi mo ba? Yan. Sa ko ilaw dito sandali. Natin. Ito yung gaming. Yung mga bata, dito sila naglalaro minsan. Yung PlayStation. Of course, luma na rin. Pinakit na kasi nila yung Xbox. Kanya-kanyang kwarto. Another chandelier king.
Yeah.
Tapos ito rin, ginawa ko rin siya kasi may poste siya rito. So parang ginawa ko ganito para medyo maganda naman tingnan.
Yeah.
So another TV. Tapos ito yung tanda mo to, yung look, your mom, you, see? Yung lahat tayo, mga family memories. Oo. Diba?
Yeah. What else could this have been? Because it's such an awkward space, no?
Yeah, yeah. Minsan parang gawin kong office ba ng araw kung ano.
Oh,
Kung
yeah.
na ako, di ba parang kilala kong ano, dito na ako, mag-office nila. Kasi hindi mo na nagagamit. Si Ben nag-hangout dito sa friends niya dati. Nung wala pa siyang TV sa kwarto, pero ngayon meron siyang TV. Kaya hindi siya nag-hangout.
How many rooms are in the basement?
2 bedroom.
2 bedrooms
So,
and
hindi ko
1
ipapakita
washroom.
to kasi ito yung mga stories ng nagtrabaho ko sa show. So hindi nakapakita siya. Kasi puro box lang siya to. Although maganda naman, pero wag na lang.
But this one used to be a room.
It used to be a room, mama's
Yeah.
room.
Yeah.
It's bigger than this room.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dual closet siya na mas malaki talaga siya kaysa dito.
Yeah. This is
Ito is Brianna's room, of course, ano na. Ano yung mga kids ng babae.
yeah.
So, galing siya sa ano. Ito, I made her projector pero ayusin ko pa to. Nakabili na ako ng parang ilalagay dito.
Ah, yung ano para nakahang na lang.
Nakahanga lang siya
Yeah.
dito kasi masyado siyang malayo. So, balak sa ilapit siya dito.
Yeah.
Oo, yan. Ginawa ko lang din yan. Tapos ito, yung favorite niyang, alam mo yan, LED.
I gave that to her
Yeah.
for Christmas.
And look, same thing as Alfred.
Yeah, I told her I really like this one.
Yeah, kasi nga dahil nga sa ano.
Yeah.
Kasi ito yung mga collection niya yata, mga monster, mga bottle.
Yeah.
Oh, ang dami niya, no? Kompleto yan, no? Baka bayan yung talaga. Sabi, gusto niya raw na iniinom. Kasi yung mga stuff toy niya, ito yung may mga kanya-kanyang ano yan, remembrance ng mga kaibigan niya, mga bigay sa kanya.
Yeah. And then this is the TV that you're talking about,
this
the
is the
projector
TV
na.
ba? Ito yung pinaka-screen niya.
Yeah.
Buong to, screen niya talaga to. So pagka nanonood siya, nakahiga lang siya dito, nakatingin siya doon. Or nag-i-study siya dito, nanonood siya.
Yeah.
Ito kasi yung pinaka-study table niya. Ito yung laptop niya, pero nakik niya muna ngayon, sa ano niya.
Yeah.
Yan si Ruth. Then, and she has her own washroom. Of course, alam mo na ang washroom ng babae. Alam mo niyan, Kim.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, same thing. Ginawa ko na siya ng para meron siyang privacy.
Yeah.
Diba kung sakaling may di ba parang hindi niya masyadong
Yeah, because there's no shower curtains.
There's no shower
That's
curtain,
nice.
and this is sliding. Skating.
Yeah. And then this
Then
one.
this one, another closet for ano na yan? Storage. Yeah. So,
Bakit ang dami yung crockpot?
yeah, pagka naghahandaan.
There's 3. Oh, there's 5.
There's 5. Yeah, kasi nga iba-ibang putahe.
Yeah.
Warm sila lahat, di ba? Nakita mo yan, unti-unti. Kasi nag-sale yan. So, kumuha kami ng 5 na. Sabi ko, kuha tayo ng 5. Para at least kung sakaling ano. Tsaka maganda siyang setup sa pinaka-table.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
So, pare-pareho sila.
And you can,
warm. Yeah, kasi ang karamihan
the entire
food naman
night.
talaga, parang lima na naman talagang kailangan mong food, di ba? Sa isang ano.
That's right.
So, ayun ang yan niya. Tapos ito another storage. Pati furnished din pala. Anyway. So, mga bigas, yung mga another, yung mga picture ng mga bata na naman.
Yeah, this is really old.
Yeah.
This one.
And alam mo na to, hindi masyadong makikita rito. Furnished naman to. Pero ginawa ko ng magandang storage para at least marami pa kami storage pa.
And then this is also storage, right?
Yes, this is storage for your tita. Andito yung mga kanyang mga Disney, mga gano'n.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. Mga shoes niya, ginawa ko hinang ko ng ganito para may kagandang tignan din.
Yeah.
Di ba? Para tapos may ganun parang mga
Yeah.
yeah. So, that's our house.
Okay.
Yes. And you go. And meron siya sarili na.
Each level, diba, has its
No,
own.
wala lang yung taas.
Oh, really?
Yung
Sa
pinaka-kwarto namin.
pinatas.
Yeah. Pero yung sa living room meron siya. Yeah, so pag umakit ka, ito na yung post yung makikita mo na pataas. And yeah,
That's it.
that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone for watching.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Merienda na.
Kain na, kain na.
Hey, you go in the washroom.
Some
You go
cake,
in the
Kim.
washroom. It was actually really gross in there.
Yeah. Okay, bye.